If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. A quick report for a vendor or customer in QuickBooks Online shows detailed transaction data for a selected customer or vendor. To create a vendor or customer quick report in QuickBooks Online, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. Then click the Standard Reports tab in the page to the right if needed. Then type either Transaction List by Customer or Transaction List by Vendor into the Type Report Name Here search bar, depending on whether you want to run a customer or vendor quick report. Then click the report name in the result list that appears below the search bar to open it with its default settings. If needed, to customize the report using the Modern view, click the Switch to Modern View link at the top of the report. To set the date range for the report in the Modern view, use the Report Period dropdown in the Customization Settings section at the top of the report. To filter the report to only show transactions for a selected vendor or customer within their respective report, click the Filter button above the report to show the filter pane at the right side of the window. Select either vendor name or customer name from the top dropdown in the pane. Then select Equals or Equals including Sub-Vendor or Sub-Customer from the next dropdown. Finally, select the name of the desired vendor or customer from the final dropdown to show the report for the date range and selected vendor or customer. To email, print, or export the report to Excel or as a PDF after running it, click the More Actions button in the upper right corner of the report, and then select the desired action. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.